Really, the entire peoples of Manipur and his MLAs, his own MLAs, are really fed up with his administration, and that is why he made his resignations tenders to the honorable governors. This is what, and really, it's like he reaps what he sows, and I think that he may think that he will be defeated in the no confidence motion to be moved by the Congress parties in the ensuing assembly session and all. And also, really, he should have been resigned earlier, long time back. Even if it is belated, is a very good development. We think that this is the even if it is belated, it is a good political development.